Hey guys, it's Kerima and welcome to another video. I know this is really different. I don't usually start my videos in front of the camera, but I wanted to do something different, clearly. I've been getting a lot of questions in my DMs and in my comments about things that I use to manage my household or clean things, or just questions that I'm getting repeatedly, and a lot of them I've answered in my videos, but because I do this clean with me style video, you can't really find all the answers to your questions. So I came up with this series, how to go from messy to managed, to answer some of those questions. One question that I got a lot is what I use to clean my tub. Now, I can't take credit for this like super magic, I don't know, special product. These products are near and dear to my heart now because it's a game changer. But there are 3 products that I use to clean my tub, and it looks brand new every time I clean it. Now, if you are familiar with my channel, you've seen me clean my kids' tub probably 100 times by now, and the grippers, they turn black. I mean, they get really dingy and dirty, and I have soaked their tub with bleach trying to get those things out, like to get them white again, and nothing works. So I kind of gave up on it for a little bit. I've used the bath mats, but those get gross and nasty real quick, and cleaning bath mats is harder than cleaning the tub, if you ask me. So I kind of did away with that. But I really needed something to get that out. It was driving me nuts. At one point I did give up on it. I kind of just took it as, I know the tub is clean. I've soaked this tub overnight in bleach, so I know it's clean, it's just stained. Well, a wonderful subscriber of mine recommended one of the products that I'm going to show you, and I'm going to show you the combinations of things that I use every time I clean the tub now, and how I get it from looking like this to looking like this. So the 3 cleaning products that I use to clean my tub, and has been a complete game changer for me, is vinegar, Blue Dawn dish soap, and the powder version of Barkeeper's Friend. Right now I'm just changing the applicator sponge on my dish scrubber. I use it to clean my tub and my shower, and you can get the refill sponge right from the Dollar Tree. I actually got this whole system from the Dollar Tree. So it can be a little tricky to open. I don't recommend using your teeth like I did, because I did get a small mouthful of soap and vinegar. It didn't kill me, I didn't swallow it. But yeah, once you get it open, I put a couple of drops of the dish soap in there, and I use a funnel to pour the vinegar inside the wad. Now be sure not to put too much dish soap like I did. I actually did half and half before, and it came out like putty. Don't do that. So we can't forget the star of the show, and that is the Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. The products are great for soap scum and keeping your tub clean, but this is what gets the stains out. So you can clearly see the black stains. I mean, it's not as bad as it usually is, but you can see the staining on the grippers of the tub. And I'm going to start out by scrubbing with just the sponge. My kids' tub was a little dirtier than usual, so I had to add my Barkeeper's Friend early. I usually just scrub with the soap and vinegar first, and then add a little bit of Barkeeper's Friend over the grips part, but the whole tub needed some Barkeeper's Friend. So as you can see, the products do a great job with getting the dirt and the grime out of the tub, but it is not doing anything for the stains on the grippers. No matter how much I scrub over them and how hard I scrub, they just do not come out with a sponge, a rag, or anything like that. So I wanted to show you guys a close-up of the tub. It's really hard for the camera to focus on just the white surface, but you can still see through all the suds and the soap from the cleaners that the staining on the grippers are still there. So now it's time to bring in the magic erasers. That's what gets the stains out. I think it's just the material of that type of sponge that really gets the stains up off the material of the grippers. Here's a cost-saving tip for you guys. Cut your sponges in half. You really don't need a whole one to clean your tub. You may see me using 2 in this video because I was actually comparing the Mr. Clean version to the Dollar Tree brand, and they work just as good. You can get 2 to 3 sponges at the Dollar Tree for $1 compared to 2 sponges of the Mr. Clean for $1.97. So I would definitely recommend the Dollar Tree version. And here are the after shots of the tub once I was done cleaning it with those 3 cleaning products and my magic erasers. You can see that the grippers completely disappear into the tub. It is so white and clean, it was really hard for the camera to focus on the white tub. The Dawn and Vinegar Cleaner also really works well on soap scums for your shower door, so I wanted to show you guys a quick clip of me cleaning off all this soap scum on my shower door. Look how gross that looks. And here's the after. As you can see, the glass is now nice and clear. It's still wet. I had no patience. I wanted to show you guys the after right away. But you don't have to use a lot of product and it gets the glass super clean. So how awesome was that? You guys, the first time I did it, I will be honest, I was shook. I called my husband upstairs. I called my daughter upstairs. I would have called you over if you were close by because that's how impressed I was. I mean, these things, I was literally cleaning this tub for 1.5 years and those black marks didn't budge. I didn't even have to scrub it with the magic eraser to get them off. And it was gone 1, 2, 3. You probably seen one of my cleaning videos when I used it for the first time and saw my reaction, but I kind of react the same way every time. It's like a brand new tub every time the kids need to take a bath. So I love it. I hope you guys try it out for yourself. And if you're having issues with rust, because someone specifically asked me about rust, try the magic eraser with the Barkeeper's Friend. The Barkeeper's Friend is really made to get rust stains out, and the power of the magic eraser I think would really help. I hope you guys enjoyed these type of series, or this series in particular, because I have a couple of videos I'm going to be shooting for it. But don't worry, the getting things done videos, the clean with me videos are not going anywhere. We will still be cleaning together because at this very moment, this is what my bedroom looks like. And my master bathroom is a hot mess too. So of course our cleaning videos, our cleaning together videos will still be there. But I wanted to do this series. I'm going to call this series From Messy to Managed. But I wanted to do this series because people have a lot of questions about particular things that I use. And I have a few solutions that I've been using to make my life and managing my home a lot easier. And I want to share that with you guys. But I also want to share it in a way that makes it easy to search. So obviously, if you're looking for a solution on how to clean your tub and make it look brand new, you can search how to clean your tub and make it look brand new, and you'll find this video. And it will be easy for me to refer you to. So the videos in this series are gonna kind of go like this. I'm gonna introduce like this life-changing thing that I found that has been changing the game for me, and I'm gonna share it with you guys, but I will make it an easy to search title, and it will be part of this series. It will have its own playlist. So yeah, I hope you guys love it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.